welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare a super yummy basic baby puree, perfect starting from 6 months of age. We're going to prepare a chicken, carrots, ginger baby puree. The ingredient that I really like in this recipe is ginger. First of all, because I like to add spices and different flavors to my baby food so that your little one gets used to new different flavors. And he or she will start enjoying those different tastes, and that will help tons when he will grow up in order to be a less picky eater. Second reason why I really love ginger for baby food is that it really helps with digestion, and also last but not least, ginger really helps boosting the immune system. The recipe, it's not only yummy, but as always, simple to prepare. First thing to do, we are going to peel the carrots and slice them in circles. We're going to chop the chicken in small cubes, and we're going to peel the ginger. In order to peel the ginger, I simply use a teaspoon and I grate the peel easily away. In a steamer, I'm going to add the carrots at the bottom, the chicken on top, and I'm going to grate the ginger on top of the chicken. And I'm going to steam my food for 10 minutes. When the food is cooked, place it in a tall container. Save 1 tablespoon of steamed carrots for later. And you might need to add some thickening liquid if you want a super creamy and almost liquid consistency, and you can pick up in between breast milk, baby formula, hot water, broth, or any other thickening liquid that you like. If you want to learn more about how to thin your baby food, you might be interested in checking this other video too. Using an immersion blender, create a nice and smooth puree. Place the baby puree in a baby food container and top it with the cooked carrots that we saved from before and few sesame seeds. They will not only give some extra texture on top of the carrots, but they will also give some good extra oils to your baby food, so good nutrients. You can store the leftovers in a baby food container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, or freeze it for up to 3 months. I really hope your little ones are going to enjoy this simple and yummy and nutritious baby food. If you're looking for other baby recipes, simply check all the links of the recipes here below. Also, this is a place where you can leave me comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. Every single week, you receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!